Hi guys, welcome back. This is how to convert Google Spreadsheet into PPT. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand better, and I will show you two methods. So for the first one is copy and paste. So from here, just simply highlight the cell that you want to transfer in Google Sheets. And after that, just simply go ahead and then copy them. And in your PowerPoint, just simply go to the slide that you want to paste the data that you copy in the Google Work spreadsheet and just simply paste the cells in your PowerPoint. Now, another solution is just simply embed using the PowerPoint built-in feature. So guys, in your PowerPoint, just simply go to the slide where you want to insert the Google Sheets data. And after that, just simply go ahead and select insert. And from there, just simply go for the object, and from there just simply choose create from file, and then select the Google Sheet file that you have. And after that, just simply check the link box so you can ensure the real-time updates. And that's pretty much about it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.